Now, what if you had the Google icon on your home screen, but you somehow removed it and you want to get it back? So I'm going to show you exactly how it would work. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So the way that it would work is that from the home screen, you would move over all the way to the right until you get to the app library. So all of the apps you have downloaded are going to be listed in here. And part of the utilities, I can already see the Google icon in it there, so it should be able to be found right away. And yeah, here it is. So if you can see it right away, we are done. Or you can as well just go to this search mode and scroll through the alphabetical order until you find the G for Google. But in either case, once you have the icon, all you have to do is just to grab it like so and essentially move it back to the home screen. So you can move it back to the place where it was before. And now you have the Google icon back onto the home screen. If you couldn't find the G in the app library, you can go to the App Store and look up Google into the search and make sure you download the official app, which will make sure that you have the app in the app library so you can then move it to the home screen. So that was the first way, but outside of that, what we have the ability to do, so let me just delete the thing right now. What we have the ability to do is to add a bookmark from Google to the home screen, right? So for that, you would open up the Safari, look up the Google as usual, right? So you just go to this page, and what you do now is that you click on the three dots, share, view more, and click on add to home screen. And now it's kind of similar, but without downloading the app, you can add a bookmark to the home screen. So we again have the G icon, which you can get inside and as well perform your searches. So it kind of depends on you if you want to have the dedicated app or just the bookmark within a Safari. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain and show you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future videos.